welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make this bouncing balls on scratch and I'm gonna show you how it works. So it's just some balls just bouncing and I can just move them wherever I want. Like this. Now let's make it. So now let's start. Now I took a ball here and now let's make it bounce. So first, when the green flag is clicked, also one more thing you need to do, just make two variables called speed x and speed y for this sprite only. I need to delete this item. Can't delete this. Okay, I'll delete in this way. Okay. Speed x for the sprite only. Click OK. Now I'm only doing the setup code, so just set speed x to, let's say, mouse x, so 60 divided by mouse x, and the other variable is speed y. Speed y for the sprite one. Click OK. Set speed y to the same thing. Just duplicate it and keep it here, and just change this mouse x to mouse y. And now let's just keep a forever block here and make a my block bounce. So now let's do the code for the bouncing. And now I'll just keep it here. And so first it should just simply change x by speed x, and if touching edge it should like set speed x to -0 minus speed x, and now keep a block, change speed y by -0.5, and after that let's keep, so it should be change y by speed y. Then I'll just simply, okay, it won't duplicate it. I'll just simply do the same thing. You can just duplicate and put it here. For me, it's not duplicating, so I'm just doing the same code which is here. So if touching edge of this, it should set speed y by 0 minus speed y. So it will just like change x by speed x, then it will just, if it's touching the edges, it will just like go back, and that's it. And now let's see how it works. Yeah, it bounces. Let's just hide this variables. So I'll just like make it draggable mode. Just put it here. And there's one problem. If you like touch this and hold it for a long time, it goes super fast. So that should not happen. So what I have to do is, if just keep an AND block, and if it's like, if the mouse is down and if you're clicking the mouse and if the ball is touching the mouse pointer, it should like set speed X and speed Y to 0. And now if I hold it for a long time, it just falls. Now that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.